In this video, I'm going to show you turn on safe mode on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you are here to new my channel, please subscribe it. Let's get started. First, take your phone, swipe the top of the screen to open the quick panel page. Find the power icon button, tap on it. In the pop-up menu, find the power off option, simply long press it. After that, you can find the safe mode option. Once you found it, simply tap on it and wait to open the safe mode your phone. After your phone is turned back on, simply unlock it. Then you can see the pop-up message safe mode is on your phone and you can use it easily. However, keep in mind if you decide to turn off safe mode your phone, don't worry, this is available. To do it, simply swipe the top of the screen to open notification panel, find the message safe mode is on, simply tap on it, then hit the turn off button and wait again to turn back on your phone. After your phone is turned back on, simply unlock it, and right now you cannot be appear the safe mode option. This means you have successfully turned it off. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.